Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your history in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options. Then we tap on history. And here we can set whether we want to delete messages, what size of voice messages we want to store, and how many images. And yeah, those are pretty much the settings that are referring to history in the Zello app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.